What's this?
Okay, everybody, we're back again for part 2. We're gonna put up the greenhouse. So we took out everything, we laid it on the table, all of the parts of the greenhouse. So I'm just gonna kind of scan through. Everything we have. So right now we're trying to see which part we need to assemble. Now this came with instructions. We have an instruction book. So we're just trying to get all the parts that we need for the first step. Okay, everybody. When these have like 3 letters inside, so you want to separate them. What is it, Taylor?
D's and E's.
D's and E's. So the D's look like
the E's.
The E's. These are the E's.
Like a T shape.
Yeah. Like a T shape, and then the D.
This would be right here. Like an L shape.
This the L shape.
So you see D on the
I think it's upside down.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's engraved on the side, and then the E is right here.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see them.
Oh, you did.
What is it? D.
D. Okay. Now we're gonna do the first step.
Sounded like that. Okay, so we're gonna start with we need the 1 first. Oh, you can and the E. So, yeah.
Step 2 of our tiny greenhouse. So we're doing the second level, second step.
With this.
Okay, y'all, we did quite a bit off camera. This is the result of the greenhouse. We did, we assembled it all the way into the, what step is this? The 6th step. So now we're putting on the shelves. So these, the little wire racks, and you're gonna use these little green clips to put them on. Can you do it up?
You need this way.
Yeah, you gotta scoot. Come on, man. Walk the walk.
Oh, here.
Ron and Hazy.
See, I don't know how you're supposed to go like this.
You gonna be on a crack or something?
Look how they doing it right here. Yeah, that's supposed to be. It's supposed to be in the middle. It's gonna fall off. It has to be like. Hold up. Yeah, it's doing it right there. dry. Real dry. Like this probably. Oh, that's what I have to do. No, that was right. What to do? Actually, yeah, I guess so.
I can't see why they just won't snap on. Like, tell the rest to snap on.
Oh, there's one right here. You have to do.
Yeah, this is.
And then all of them, we gotta do all of them.
Okay, we're gonna do all the rest of them off camera.
Oh, you can unzip it.
Unzip it. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Cheyenne, could you inside? Can you tie these up at the bottom?
No. Anybody in here?
I have to take the gloves off. And then they have these little ties all throughout the greenhouse. You'll have to tie them up.
I can show them. It's literally. So you will have to. It's like these little thingies right here. You can tie it.
Change where we can't untie them.
I just did like a double tie. You can just tie them to the box. I mean the.
Well, I say it feels good in here.
Where do I say?
I'm like,
Okay. I'm gonna just come out here every day just to be here.
okay, so where the steaks go? Like, what do we? Just show this one. She got it, London. Okay, come on, Thor.
So what you want to do is you want to make sure that the line is tight and make sure that the steak is in the ground, and I'm going to just
Come on, Thor. Come on.
wrap it around this way. It doesn't really matter to say how you tie it as long as it's tight. So this is how I'm wrapping it, and then I'm just going to wrap it around. But yeah, this has to just be tight on the ground.
Okay.
Other than that, that's how you're supposed to do it. Oops, it came loose. But yeah, but that's pretty much how you do it. It's just that you dig a little deeper. But yeah, that's pretty much it, Ken. I'm gonna make it tighter though.
Okay. That's pretty much it, y'all. And we'll be right back after we do all 4, well 3 more, and then we'll show you the finished greenhouse, our tiny house.
Okay, so we're back again. We're with the last one. So we forgot to mention earlier, make sure you put the string through the hole. Also, my hands are dry, don't mind that. So you're gonna stick it in the mud, and I would suggest like getting a hammer and like beating it down a little bit. So when you have it tight and secure, you want to make sure that I would suggest say wrapping it around the sides first a couple of times. And you're gonna wrap it around the steak a few times, and then I would suggest making a knot to secure it. And then you'll pull it, and if it happens to be a little loose, just do this a couple of times and it'll make it tighter. And that's it. And as you can see, we're just fixing it up like that. And ta-da!
Okay, y'all, this is our finished product. This is from start to finish. It's a walk-in. It is tinier than I expected. But it's still good for the price. I can't complain. And again, I'm gonna put the price in the description because I can't remember how much I paid for it, because when I bought it, I was buying other things. So I think it was around like $40 something, close to $50, but it's not bad. I can walk in it.
And how tall are you?
I'm 5'4".
Okay, and I'm 5'11 and a half, so.
Yeah, but you still can look. Come on in here. Come on. So
You're
yeah,
the top.
so she can stand up so.
Yeah.
It's about 6 feet.
Yeah.
Right
If
at
you like
6
6
foot.
feet,
Yeah.
you fit.
And then it's enough space in here to do what you gotta do.
Get an inside
So
scoop.
I think it's a good purchase. I'm satisfied with Temu. I'm not. My daughter here is a Temu hater, but
The camera woman.
yes, the lady behind the camera. But this is it, y'all. So if y'all have any questions, comments about the greenhouse, put it in the comments below, and we will see y'all later. We're tired, we're cold, we're hungry.
I'm not.
We'll see y'all. Of course you're not. Okay, bye y'all. Bye.
Bye.